Utilizing powerful offers and promos.
So this is like really key, guys, in marketing. Okay, so you got to have an offer. You probably know what your audience is. You're probably like, these types of people are the ones that need my services, but you got to pair that with an offer which is compelling. And you don't want to overdo it either, because promotions and offers, they're kind of synonymous, but promotions are more like if you're running sales or special things to get more people in. Both of these are great ways to build lots of customers and scale really fast. But think of it like this. We live in a world today where everyone's coupon clipping and pricing it. They're looking at prices. So a lot of people don't like the idea of discounting stuff in the very beginning, but think of it this way. You're just trying to get their attention, right? So you want to get their attention and you want to pull them with an offer off of social media, wherever they are out in the world on the internet, get their attention, and then pull them in with what we do a lot is 50% off. 50% off your first clean. Something free, something enticing, right? So that's going to get them to get excited to want to work with you. And then from there, it's your job to overwhelm them with value and give them a great experience so that you convert them to a recurring customer, right?
Yeah.
But you got to get them in with an offer or a promotion of some type.
Yeah. So the key here is don't overdo it. You don't want to abuse the promo. You don't want to be offering something every week all the time. There's shifting. You're gonna make your existing customers mad, or the one that signed up for that one last week is mad because the one that the next week was better than that one. Or worse, in my mind, is that you're everywhere with promos. So like Groupon is a very, I don't know, it's a terrible website. I don't know how else to explain it. So,
well, you're attracting low-level buyers. That's the problem.
So like your Groupon buy is usually insane. You get something for like 90% off or whatever, and you'll get people through the door. But those are going to be the ones that try it once, rob you of the like, thanks for cleaning my house for $5, high five, like get out of here. Like I'm never going to become a customer. Your stuff is too expensive. So
yeah.
And if you're everywhere like that, like if you're in, I don't know, those mail coupon things all the time, newspaper ads, like you can make people upset. I think it'll just lose its efficacy.
Yeah. So the one that we use a lot, I mean, if you go just to our website, it's schedule a free estimate. But if we're running traffic online on Facebook or Google Ads or somewhere else, well, it's that on those platforms you want to grab their attention and give them something to bring them in over the competition, and then convert them to recurring after that. But some ideas are, like I said, 50% off. You can do seasonal promotions like this holiday season, get X% off for a limited time, or you could do a whole promotion for a whole apartment complex, or after the 5th clean you get the 6th one free. There's a lot of ideas here. You could brainstorm all day long, but the point is, what would you want, and what would get someone excited, that's compelling, that gets them to get off their butt and do something and take action and pick you over the competitor. Because once you guys have them you're nurturing that lead and you can give them a clean, well, hopefully your product's dialed in, and then they're going to become a customer for life. So it's worth it to discount it a little bit to get them in the funnel, and then you get that repeat customer. And so you might lose a little bit on the front end, but it's totally worth it as long as, like Brandon said, you're not doing it all the time and abusing that offer, or that promotion.